Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to set up dynamic lock in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 or you might be jumped from Windows 10 to 11 and you might be wondering or know that there is a dynamic lock and you want to set up your Windows 11 desktop or laptop with dynamic lock. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your start menu and then click here setting, and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. You need to click here accounts. After click over accounts on the right side, you're going to find here something say sign in option. After click over sign in option, you're going to find here something say dynamic lock. So you're going to extend it and then we're going to click here allow Windows to lock your device automatically when you are away. Now here is the things currently in my laptop or desktop doesn't have any peer phone. So what you have to do, you need to add a peer Bluetooth device, and after that your laptop going to be connected with that device. So from that time, if somebody if your device is going out of a range with the Bluetooth, your laptop going to be automatically lock, which is really quite interesting. So we're going to add a Bluetooth device. So I'm going to connect it with my smartphone. So what you have to do, you need to go here, just let me close it and go here Bluetooth, and let me jump over add a Bluetooth device. Also I'm going to open my Bluetooth in my smartphone, and you're going to see your computer name. So I'm also going to click here. This is my computer name, which is Chip Centric. So I'm going to connect it, and then we're going to see a pop-up appear. We're going to choose on it, and then we're going to click here allow. So this device is going to connect it. You can see it say connection succeed. So I'm going to close it, and now again from begin we have to go start menu and then click here setting. And now if I click here accounts, and then if I click here sign in option, and then if I click here now dynamic log, you're going to see your device name here is, you can see it's here my phone name. Now from now, if I going out of this range, automatically my Windows 11 PC or laptop going to be locked. So if I am range, there is for example, maybe I just leave I just took my phone and I forget to lock my desktop or laptop. But if I go out around 15 meter away, and your desktop going to be automatically locked. So within this way you can easily enable or set up dynamic lock in your Windows 11 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.